Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna replace a screen on a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. And we're gonna start by heating up the back. I'm gonna do it with my hot gun from a desoldering station. If you don't have it, you can do it with a hair dryer or a heat gun. It shouldn't be too warm. I would say around 80 to 100 degrees maximum. And you can do it from 3 to 5 minutes and it should feel warm to the touch. And as we will have to transfer everything from this screen to the new frame, we're gonna remove all the screws already from the motherboard and from the daughterboard and the mid frame. Then we're gonna remove the wireless charging coil. We're gonna fold it a bit so we can have access to the battery connector, and we're gonna remove the battery first. And then we're gonna disconnect the rest of the connectors, such as the side button cable, the front facing camera, the 5G M-Wave antenna, and now we're gonna slightly put it aside, and we can remove the flex cables. Once it's done, we're gonna heat up a bit the battery, as this is the trickiest part on the whole process, is to actually remove the battery because the glue it's really sticky. So I recommend you to put some alcohol and walk your way through. Take your time, and then it's gonna come out. And then there's another screw that we need to remove, so we can remove the main board. To remove the main board, don't forget to put aside the flex cable from the front-facing camera. And now we're gonna go to the lower mid frame to remove the loudspeaker. And there's another 3 screws here to remove the USB connector. And now that most of the parts are out, we're gonna need to take the vibrator motor and some other parts from here, such as the front camera, and the front-facing sensor. This is the screen I got. It's not a OEM one, and I recommend you to always buy a LCD screen with the frame. It makes your life way easier. And then we just need to transfer everything back in reverse order as we took it out. And once it's done, before putting all the screws, I recommend you to make sure it works, so just give a quick test. So everything seems to be working. And then we can proceed by placing the screws. Now to close it back, we have to apply some glue. And then we just place the back cover, and it should take around 24 to 48 hours to actually cure and make the whole process. I recommend you to leave it for a while with some elastic bands, and then that's it. The job is done. I hope this video was helpful, and I see you in the next video.